Racing just is started. We have Zerbay. Break quickly at a start at Chikatsu is on the outside. Zamit Dancer, Brazilian Babe, Chinoy, while C, Tonet is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Zerbay by about half length. Chikatsu in the middle. Zamit Dancer is on the outside third. 4 lengths further back in port comes Brazilian Babe. Then next on line, Citonet, while Chinoy now racing in last back to the leader. We have Zerbay at Chikatsu. Party route for the leader. 3 lengths further back in third comes Zamit Dancer. Brazilian Babe is racing in fourth, Citonet, while Chinoy is still racing in last. Then at the fourth turn, we have Chikatsu and Zerbay. Party route for the lead. 6 lengths away in third comes Zamit Dancer. Brazilian Babe remains in fourth. Then comes Chinoy, while Citonet now racing in last. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Chikatsu. This time by a length and a half. Zerbay is down on the inside. Zamit Dancer. And on the outside fourth is Brazilian Babe. Last 100 meters, we have Chikatsu. This time by about 3 lengths over Zerbay in second. And finally, we have Chikatsu. Second is Zerbay, Citonet. Then comes Zamit Dancer.
Ganda pa ng quartet nito. 5, 3, 4, 6. Maski yung trifecta.
5, 3, 4, 6.